Hello guys, welcome to my channel BLearn Commerce and Management Tutorials. Today we are going to start our second chapter of economics, that is money. In that I will explain about the difficulties of barter system and introduction, different stages of evolution of money. We will also learn about qualities of money and its various functions. We will also see that what measures are taken to counter the problem of black money. So let's begin. Everyone knows how important money is in their life. It makes life better to live and one has to work hard to earn it. The invention of money is one of the most important and fundamental inventions in the world. According to Crowther, there is basic invention in each branch of knowledge, like invention of fire in science, invention of wheels in mechanical science, and the concept of money is an important concept which has brought about a revolutionary change in the economic life of human beings. Various goods and services are bought and sold with the help of money to satisfy human wants. Modern economy is dependent on money. Money which is in circulation today was created to reduce the difficulties in the barter system. Now let's see what is meant by a barter system. So what is meant by a barter system? Barter system means exchange of goods and services for the other goods and services in which money is not involved. This method was practiced for centuries before money was introduced. In the barter system, people used to exchange services for services and goods for goods. For an example, exchanging of grains for a fish. But this barter system has certain difficulties, and the first was problem of double coincidence of want. Lack of double coincidence of want was one of the major limitations of barter system. For example, person A has clothes and he wants food in exchange, and person B has food but he does not want a cloth in exchange. In this case, exchange between A and B would not take place as their wants do not match with each other. The second was lack of common measure of value. While exchanging of goods, there was no standard unit of account to determine the value of commodity. For example, exchanging the liter unit with a kilogram unit. It was difficult to compare 2 liters of milk with 2 kilograms of rice. The third is difficulties in storage of food. It is necessary to store goods for future consumption. Sometimes, due to the perishable nature of certain goods, it was difficult to store them for the future. Perishable commodities like milk, eggs, fish, vegetable, etc. were difficult to store. Difficulties were also experienced due to lack of space required to store heavy and bulky goods. Fourth is indivisibility of certain goods. In barter system, it was inconvenient to divide animals, house, etc. into small parts. So it was difficult to fix proportion of one commodity in exchange for another commodity. For example, individual A has a sack of wheat and he wants a goat in exchange. Individual B has a goat but he wants only half sack of wheat. In this situation, exchange between the two commodities is impossible due to indivisible nature of goat, for it being a livestock. The fifth is problem of making deferred payments. Deferred payments means payments to be made in future. Repayment of a loan was difficult due to exchange of commodities. For example, it was difficult to repay the perishable goods like vegetables, fish, eggs, etc. in the same condition in the future. If you like the explanation of this topic, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel BLearn. Thank you.